again to another Target Beauty Box unboxing, although they probably don't really need to call the men's ones beauty boxes, but I mean, it's in the same line, so why change it? But yeah, so I mean, I really like the box on this one. Like, we just appreciate the pretty watercolor aesthetic we've got here of this forest. I really like it. But it also caught my attention that this one's thicker and heftier than the lady boxes. I don't know if that's always true. I've never bought one of the men's ones before this month, but frankly, I saw a really good razor in it, and I was like, I want it. So, I was like, screw it, I'm just gonna buy it. But, like, for real, like, can we just take into account this size discrepancy here? That's a thing. They cost exactly the same. But, you know, pink tax. Immediately upon opening it, it just smells lovely. I honestly adore the way it smells. Like, frankly, most, like, men's body care products, I freaking adore the way they smell. Like, if we are just being honest here. So, this one is the DOP Kit Essentials. What the hell is a DOP? I don't know what DOP is. Maybe you can tell me. So, you're fly, the products in your DOP kit should be too. What is DOP? Tell me what DOP is. Stock it up with these essentials that'll keep you looking groomed and feeling great whenever, wherever. Try them out, and if you love them as much as we do, find the full-size versions at target.com/beautybags. Like what you tried, you want to see what you got, what you love, how you styled it, tag us with #TargetBeauty or #TargetBeautyBox. Yeah, no man's gonna do that. You're wasting your time even throwing this in there. Whatever. I do like the Kelly green tissue paper that I got. I always comment on the colored tissue paper because it's pretty. Okay, so can we just speak of how unfair it is that the women's antiperspirant samples we get are like this big? The men get the full freaking size. So they've got like Old Spice Deep Sea over here. I'm like, dude, this actually smells like really good. Come on, plastic piece, come off. You mofo. That is definitely what I'm smelling. Okay. I'm only mildly creeped out that it looks slightly like it may or may not have been used. I'm hoping it hasn't been, because that's, like, really gross if it has, but still. Anyway. Fresh ocean elements, no eels. Did we think there was gonna be eels? I didn't think there was gonna be eels. Should there be eels? So, anyway, this is the packaging. It's kind of cool looking. What does it say about it? Oh, make it 6 products, bastards. Old Spice, Fresher Collection, Deep Sea Invisible Solid Deodorant, reduces sweat, goes on invisible, and stays dry so you smell fresh and clean. So yeah, they've got aluminum, zirconium, chlorohydrix, GLY 15%, anhydrous. That sounds heavy duty. Maybe that'll actually work. Yeah, I'm one of those gross bitches who actually, a lot of times, ends up reaching for the men's stuff because it actually works. So, the cutesy little lady ones that smell they're all girly and stuff, that's cute. They don't work for shit. I keep trying to make them work, but they don't. The men's ones do. So, I mean, honestly, I'm kind of really excited that this is full-sized and in there. So, I'm definitely using that. And then we've got Head and Shoulders 2-in-1 Man Advanced Series Pure Sport Old Spice. I'm like, they have to make it specifically for men because their egos are so fragile that you have to put man all over it, because how dare they possibly use something that's unisex? Oh no, can't use something that a lady might use. Nope, gotta be for men only. What'll happen if a woman uses it? She might explode, oh my god. Nothing happens if a woman uses it other than, whoa, okay, so it's like exploding on its own here. Alright then, bubbles. Boop. Alright then, so. Oh, actually, maybe that's what I was smelling when I opened the box. That smells really, really nice, too. Gonna sound creepy? Totally smells like what my grandpa used to use, because I think he wore Old Spice, so maybe that's why I'm thinking that, but I'm just like, oh, it smells like his bathroom. How cute. But anyway. So there's that, which will definitely get used. What does it say about it? Head & Shoulders Old Spice Pure Sportsman's Anti-Dandruff 2-in-1 Shampoo and Conditioner. Gently yet powerful formula fights dandruff while protecting your scalp against dryness, flakes, and itchiness. All of which I, as a woman, can use. There is no reason I cannot use that. So, and we've got Don't Be Dry Shampoo. Dry spray, please. Don't be more dry shampoo. Dry antiperspirant. Alright, fine. This is by Dove. Men plus Care. Clean Comfort Dry Spray Antiperspirant. Antiperspirant spray goes on instantly dry and helps fight sweat and odor for up to 48 hours. Shake the can to activate the ingredients, then apply 2 to 3 short bursts of spray. No, I'm not really going to spray it here, but we'll see if I can just smell it just by uncapping it. Ooh. Wait. Wait a minute. It smells like baby powder, guys. But they're lying to you by putting the manly man stuff all over it. It smells like baby powder. Just throwing it out there. So, I mean, if your manly smell smells like baby powder, that's great for you. But, otherwise, you may be, sorely disappointed when you go to put on your Clean Comfort. It smells like baby powder. Just saying. Just saying. I mean, if you want to smell like baby powder, obviously there's nothing wrong with that. But I'm just saying, that's what it smells like. I was expecting one of these manly smells like the other ones, then wait a minute. You lie. It's all packaging, which, I mean, obviously I know it's all a marketing scam one way or the other anyway with these things, but... So then we've got Crest, which is definitely not just for men. This is the Gum Detoxify, neutralizes plaque, bacteria, even around the gum line, deep clean. Definitely can use. I've been curious about this stuff, so I kind of like that. I got a sample of it. Crest Gum Detoxify Deep Clean Toothpaste. Cooling activated foam penetrates hard to reach areas, removing plaque bacteria for clinically proven healthier gums. Hint, brush teeth for at least 2 minutes. Yeah, no shit. To give the fluoride in toothpaste enough time to attach to the tooth enamel and remove bacteria. Yeah, that's the problem. Most people don't brush their teeth for 2 minutes. I'm really anal retentive about this, probably because I've had just about every tooth in my mouth worked on to death and back, but for real, you need to do that, otherwise you're just wasting your time. You may as well not even be bothering if you're not spending at least that much time on them. And yet this goes over most people's heads and I don't get it. It's like the flossing thing. Like, one of my friends was just like, yeah, you're not normal that you actually floss every day. I'm like, you don't understand how much has been spent on my mouth, dude. If you spent that much, you would floss every day too, the way you're supposed to. Okay, so we got some samples here. By Bulldog. Because manly. Man's best friend. So, let's see. Bulldog Men's Skincare Moisturizer, Face Wash, and Shave Gel. I can use a shave gel on my legs. Honestly, I thought there was something about beard care in here, and I was like gonna give it to my uncle, but this shave gel, I'll just use it on my damn legs. I don't care. Moisturizer, face wash, and shave gel are specially formulated with natural ingredients that help keep skin healthy and hydrated. So the shave gel, do they all say the same thing? They basically do. Ooh, it's made in the UK. All our products are purpose-built for men. Should be purposely built for men, and contain amazing natural ingredients. The shave gel contains aloe vera, camelina oil, and green tea. All three of them contain those. Specially formulated to deliver a smooth and close shave. Specially formulated to cleanse the skin. Specially formulated to hydrate the skin without leaving skin greasy or sticky. That's the only thing different across the three. Be loyal to your skin. Our products never contain artificial colors, synthetic fragrances, or ingredients from animal sources. And then, obviously, the directions are different. So that's kind of cool. Why not? And then finally, what I actually really bought it for, the freaking good-ass razor that's in there. I'm like, dude, okay, I mean, this is probably worth more than the box itself. Like, honestly, this is, like, bulky. Like, metal. I'm like, ooh, I've never had a metal one. Men get all the good stuff. I just get the stupid crappy plastic ones. Precision trimmer, skin guard to reduce irritation, lubrication before and after the blades, optimally spaced Gillette blades to reduce tug and pull, ergonomic fusion handle. Honestly, sounds really freaking good. Again, why I bought it. Skin guard men's razor, because God forbid a woman use it for sensitive skin. Because women never have sensitive skin. I'm sorry, I just find it hilarious, the gendering that they do on these. Clinically proven! Unique skin guard razor minimizes tug and cuts hairs at skin level, preventing irritation and ingrown hairs. To minimize nicks and irritation, shave immediately after showering when hair is soft, allowing the razor to glide more easily. So I am gathering that because it is metal, you probably shouldn't use it actually in the shower, or is it like rust proof? Because I mean, if I can use it in the shower, that would be much better for me. But I mean, I'll do what I gotta do with it, but frankly, this looks way better than the crappy little ones that ladies get. But just saying, we shall see. We shall see. I'm pretty sure it's gonna do a million times better of a job, even by the same brand, because I get the Gillette ones that are women's ones, but frankly, this looks way nicer. So for the same price as the Pride box, we get all of this versus what was in the other one, if you watched the other video. I find it very interesting. Very interesting indeed. Probably because, oh yeah, on the whole, men's products are cheaper. I mean, I could do a whole video on the freaking supposed pink tax and then debunk it and every which way and explain why men's products are cheaper, but it's been done to death. I don't really need to, but it is interesting though, just as a consumer, just looking at them side by side, being like, huh, I see. Well then. So anyways, that is it for this one, and I think that's it for the June Target Beauty boxes. I don't think they're gonna randomly do another one in the last week of June, because why would they? But maybe. Otherwise, I guess we'll meet back in July for the next ones. But anyways, you guys know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below about these, about anything. It's all good. Leave them all down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, donation link, as always, is down in the description. So anyway, guys, until next time, bye-bye.